Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about three things, and these three things I want you to consider when you are learning in a manual car. And the first thing is the clutch. If you are learning in a manual car, I want you to think of the clutch before you start your journey learning in a manual car. The difference between an automatic and a manual is the clutch, which makes the difference, okay? And for you to learn in a manual car, you'll have to be very patient, because it's the clutch is going to give you a lot of problems. You're going to find the most difficult how to deal with the clutch, how to do the clutch control, how to learn the clutch. And to make it easy for you and the journey to become easy in the beginning for you to learn in a manual car is to understand the clutch as much as you can. Learn about the clutch, study about the clutch, read about the clutch, what the clutch does. The more you read, more understanding you have about the clutch, more easier it's going to be for you to use the clutch. Trust me, sometimes you think about what is the learning going to do, what is the reading going to do. The more information you have, the way the clutch works, it will help you more to understand how to use the clutch. Because like I said, it's the clutch makes the difference between the automatic and manual. And many learners, they find the most difficult when they're learning in the beginning in a manual car is to deal with the clutch, is to learn the clutch, is to learn the clutch control. Okay, so when you start your journey to learn in a manual car, try to read, study the most about the clutch when you're starting the journey of learning to drive in a manual car. Secondly, make sure you have the correct shoe when you are learning in a manual car. Why? Because it's the shoe makes a difference. You need to know how much gas you're giving. You need to know how much clutch you are giving, how to do the clutch control. You need to feel it. And the way you feel is if you have a good shoe. When I say good shoe, it doesn't mean it has to be an expensive shoe. A shoe where you could feel the pedals. You could feel how much you're pressing, how much you are giving. Because if you can't feel it, and if the shoe is quite hard and you can't feel anything, then it will be difficult for you to understand how to do the clutch control, how much gas you're giving, how much clutch you're giving. You won't understand, okay? So a shoe which is soft and is flexible so that it makes it easier for you to know how much gas you're giving, how much clutch you're giving. One of the things you need to learn is the clutch control when you're learning in a manual car, meaning you bring the clutch to the biting point and you feel the biting. And if you can't feel it, then you won't know where the biting is. So if you have the correct shoe, meaning a soft, flexible shoe, then you could feel where the biting is. You could feel how much clutch needs to come up, how much it needs to go down. So correct shoe for learning in a manual car is one of the most important things. I'll leave a link on the description, a shoe that I recommend that you could have for you to learn in a manual car. But I'm sure any shop online, if you just look for a shoe which is soft and is flexible, which will help you to learn easily when you're learning in manual car. Like I said, I will leave a link on the description, a choice of my own that I think will be good for you, but you could choose from any shoe shop or anything from online. So two things when you're learning in a manual car. One is to get to know the clutch, read about the clutch, watch video about the clutch. The more information you have about the clutch, more easier it will be for you to use the clutch. Secondly, having the correct shoe. Like I said, shoe makes a difference when you are learning in a manual car, because like I said, you need to feel the gas and the clutch, how much you're giving. You need to feel the biting point, and the way you're going to do that is if you have a shoe which is soft and flexible so you could feel it, okay? And be patient. One of the important things when you're learning in a manual car is to be patient. In the beginning, it will be difficult. Don't think that you're not going to learn. You will learn eventually, but in the beginning, it might be a little difficult, but be patient. The more patient you are, more time you're going to have in your mind. If you panic and start to think that I'm not going to be able to do this, then you're going to have problem learning in a manual car because you're not giving enough time to your mind. You need to be patient and give time. Eventually, by practice, you'll get better when you're learning in a manual car with the clutch. There are many videos on my channel about the clutch control, master the clutch. So there are many videos on my channel. Just look through. I will leave some of those videos links on the description for you to have a look. But if you just go through my channel, you'll find there are many videos on clutch and the clutch control. Also, this video is sponsored by Shorty, which provides short-term insurance. So if you need insurance for a day or two, or even for an hour, up to 28 days, you could use Shorty. Maybe you want to go to your driving test by your car, family member's car, or maybe with your own car, or maybe you want to drive with your parents in their car and you want to get insured for maybe for a week or two or even for a day, you could use Go Shorty to insure your car for a few hours or few days, like I said, up to 28 days. They specialize on short-term insurance. It's for those who maybe wants to go to the driving test with their own car or family member's car and they need to get insured maybe for an hour or two or maybe for a day. Or maybe they want to drive in the parents' car for a week. Maybe they're on a holiday and they want to drive in the parents' car for a week. They want to get the car insured for a week, for a month. Like I said, up to 28 days. You could use Go Shorty to get your car insured for short term. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see, and if you need it, you could use them. Also, as you know, we do have an online course which helps the learners to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. The course gives everything a learner needs for you to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything. It has more than 30 videos on the course, helping you learn to drive easily and to pass the driving test. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course. I hope this video helps. If it does, please do give a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.